The world's largest IKEA will open in 2021 in the Philippines. Hi Manila, mabuhay Manila. I had really hoped to be shopping at IKEA Philippines this Christmas 2020, but this will not happen after all. Due to the coronavirus, construction has been delayed and the opening will be in 2021. If you haven't heard it yet, it's absolutely true. The world's largest IKEA store will be in Manila, the Philippines. Pretty amazing, huh? The construction of IKEA is ongoing at the SM Mall of Asia between the SMX Convention Center and the Mall of Asia Arena. Just imagine, IKEA Manila will be almost as large as 150 basketball courts. The total size is 67,760 square meters. Now this includes 2 floors of showroom, the restaurant of course, and a call center with e-commerce. And the total investment is 7 billion pesos. Pretty impressive, huh? IKEA has entered into a partnership with SM. And now that is of course the reason why the very first IKEA store will be at the SM Mall of Asia. The second store will be at SM Fairview. As you know, there are many residential areas being developed in that area, so many homeowners will be flocking to IKEA SM Fairview as soon as their doors will open. Now, I'm sure that the partnership with SM means that we will see more and more IKEA stores opening all across the Philippines very soon. With the strong economy, many call center agents and millions of OFWs in the Philippines are buying condominiums and houses at the fastest pace ever. This results in millions of Filipinos needing quality furniture at affordable prices. And now that is exactly what IKEA provides. And that is why the very largest IKEA store in the entire world will be in the Philippines. IKEA Philippines will have 9,000 products for sale at their store as well as online. Now that many products will take a long time to look at. So IKEA has a playground for kids called Småland. And this is where you can safely leave your kids while you explore all of those 9,000 products. To make it simple and easy, the IKEA stores have a one-way street system, meaning that you enter and follow the aisles all the way to the cashier. This way, you will pass all the products from kitchenware to office furniture to a complete new bedroom for mom and dad, and of course everything kids need for their rooms. The do-it-yourself concept in putting together the furniture from IKEA is famous, and I believe that even here in the Philippines, we will be the ones to put the furniture together by ourselves in the future. Just the other day, I bought new beds for the kids, and the furniture store sent someone to assemble the beds right here in my house. With the IKEA rolling into town, I guess that will be a thing of the past. One of the things that I love most about IKEA is their restaurant, the hot dogs, and oh my god, the meatballs. The Swedish meatballs are amazing. Last time I had some of those delicious meatballs from IKEA was at IKEA Causeway Bay in Hong Kong. Meatballs, I just can't wait for them to open that IKEA store. IKEA, please reserve my table already. Did you know that the restaurant in IKEA Manila will be able to seat 1,000 dine-in customers at the same time? That must make it one of the largest restaurants in the Philippines. As usual, the colors of IKEA will dominate the building with the blue and yellow colors, similar to the Swedish flag, although the blue colors are a little bit darker. IKEA was founded in Sweden by Ingvar Kamprad in 1943 when he was just 17 years old. Actually, IKEA was really the pioneer of furniture after the Second World War. They had all their furniture made out of special wood, and they made a system of pre-made furniture that the world had never seen before. Customers simply needed to bring the box with the wood and the instructions home and start putting them together. Easy and affordable furniture for entire populations. After the Second World War, this was an amazing idea. Simply just prefabricate furniture and you could assemble it at home. With America and Europe moving as fast as they did in the 50s and the 60s, this just fit in to the new way of living. Since then, it has spread its do-it-yourself philosophy throughout Europe, America, and of course here in Asia. Right now, there's more than 400 IKEA stores worldwide, but I'm proud to say that of course, the largest IKEA store will be right here in the Philippines. The IKEA vision is to create a better everyday life for the many people. Ingvar Kamprad passed away in 2018 and he was considered to be one of the wealthiest men in the world. IKEA is now managed by his sons. I'm looking forward to buy new furniture in IKEA, and I will make a video from IKEA as soon as it opens its doors. And I hope to see you all there very soon. And as always guys, thank you all so much for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up guys, and ring that bell button so you will be notified whenever I upload new videos for you guys.